All right, we hit that 2 hour mark at 250 degrees. It's time to wrap. So, you want to learn about barbecue? We cooked some baby back ribs for 2 hours. Now it's time for the wrap. First thing I like to come in with is theater style popcorn spray. Next is a layer of sugar in the raw, turbinado sugar. Then I add a little granulated honey. And a splash of that agave nectar. Now you come in with your rib, each side down. Now you just repeat the whole process on the back. Now just wrap it up tight. And put this back on the smoker for an hour. All right, we hit that 1 hour mark. And this is what we're working with. Right now is the time, if you like sauce, flip them, keep them in the foil, put a little sauce on, or sauce one rack, keep the other rack wrapped. So if you're gonna sauce them, I suggest putting a good amount on there. Let it sit another 15 to 20 minutes so it'll tack up. Then let them rest another 20 minutes. Cut and serve. Well, y'all, I gotta get on the road. It's my mother's birthday. If you like barbecue content, y'all be sure to like, share, and follow.